Hey, it's Tay, and in today's video we are going to be discussing the Revlon One-Step Hair Volumizer. I am so excited about this product. You have probably seen it all over social media. This is what the box looks like. I have seen some different boxes, but essentially if you get the Revlon in this style, I think they're all pretty much the same. I will read the box for y'all. It says Titanium Max Edition, longer lasting styles, one-step volume, power of a dryer, volume of a styler, and it is supposed to have max root and body volume. And if you have watched any tutorials or any little videos on people using this thing, it has worked wonders from what I've seen. So I'm so excited to try it out, and I'm really hoping that it lives up to the potential that I am hoping that it will have. So it actually came with a cute little bag, you can see right there, and of course it came with instructions, which I have here. This is what the brush looks like. It's pretty big. This is my hand next to it, and I'm gonna go ahead and plug it into the wall. It has just a normal plug with the little buttons on the side, and I'm gonna go ahead and plug that in. As always, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and follow me on Insta. I really appreciate that, so let's get started. Okay, so this is actually going to be my first time using this. My hair is pretty crazy right now. I just had it in a bun and it was wet and it's just been drying, so it's pretty damp right now. Everyone tells you use heat protectant. If I'm being honest, I never use heat protectant, but we're gonna go ahead and use it this time because I do have some, and I'm gonna be using the Tresemme Thermal Creations. So I'm just gonna spray that throughout my hair a little bit just to help protect it. I really don't know if one brand is better than the other. Honestly, I never ever use heat protectant. I just figured, what the hey. So there's that. I assume I should brush it through, but that's okay. Another thing that I think is pretty cool is I have the little Moroccan oil right here. I believe it's supposed to have vitamins and minerals. It's supposed to make your hair like shiny and nice. Whether there's any truth to that, I don't really know, but it does smell good, and my hairdresser recommends it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put just a little bit of that in my hair. And honestly, I never use this stuff, literally once in a blue moon. You only need a tiny bit, and you just kind of run it through your hair, but honestly it smells amazing. So if you want something that smells nice in your hair, I would recommend that. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit more because I barely got any. So you just need a very, very small amount, and it will make your hair smell amazing. So there's that. I'd like to point out that it does have an off, cool, low, and high on there. Please excuse my hands, they're pretty dry. But yeah, we're gonna just go ahead and do it. So I'm gonna start by sectioning my hair a little bit. I'm gonna put the top half up on top of my head like this. So I'm gonna look a little bit crazy, but I'm just gonna start using it. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, it did a pretty nice job of my hair. Don't judge, I'm definitely not a hairstylist, and I probably didn't turn it in the right directions, but I think it turned out pretty nice. It looks pretty voluminous and thick. I do wish there was a little bit more volume on top, but I feel like that's something that I always struggle with, and I feel like probably a lot of people struggle with. And so that's not really the hairbrush's fault. That's kind of like me not knowing how to do it. I suppose I should probably be maneuvering it upward, kind of like that. But like I said, I'm not an expert. And a really cool part is you can feel the air coming out. So you know, it's you can feel it drying your hair as you go. And I hate blow drying my hair, so this would be a fantastic way for me to I always wear a head wrap, a hair wrap, so then once it starts to dry, I can just go through it with this, which is great for me because I have to dry my hair. I cannot go to bed with wet hair. So then I can just do a little quick run through with this, and my hair will be so much prettier now rather than a curly, crazy mess. So I am pretty excited about it. After that, I decided I wanted to try to give my hair a little more volume, especially on the top. So I gave it a go, and I think it turned out pretty well. You'll see that in the next part of this video. Oh, snap! Look at that. Very nice. So, yeah, I am really excited about this. Yeah, overall, I am super impressed. I got some nice volume in there. I found that it worked best for me to kind of put my head down and do it. And I actually really want to experiment with, I got some curlers for Christmas, and I have never really tried using curlers on my own. Maybe when I was a kid somebody might have used them with me, but I really have not used curlers before. So I'm really excited about that because I did see a girl who took and she would curl the top part, and then I think she did a couple sections on the sides, and she did a beautiful job. So I definitely really want to try doing that, but for today's video we're just going to wrap it up there. As you can see, it did a really nice job with the volume, just making it look really pretty and natural and straight, but not too straight to where it's like stick thin and stick straight and like fakey looking. So I'm super happy with that. It looks really thick and pretty. So I would definitely give it a great rating. And funny enough, I actually should mention I do have one of these, which I've had for a while, and I got it from Amazon. It's a little bit different. It's Cool Kessie brand, but I think it's just like, I think there's a lot of other brands. I don't know what the best brand is. This is just the one that I had gotten off of Amazon, and it works really well. It works nice for straightening your hair, but definitely a very different tool from this. Definitely would give this a 10 out of 10. I am super happy with it, and I'm so excited to try experimenting more with it and using my little curlers that I got for Christmas. So yeah, as always, I really appreciate y'all watching my video. I really enjoyed making it for y'all. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and follow me on Instagram. Until next time, y'all, thanks for watching.